Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin privileges and a moment to act. Open Task Manager now with Control plus Shift plus ESC. If Task Manager is unresponsive, use Control plus Alt plus Del. Make sure you saved open files because ending Windows Explorer will close the taskbar and file windows. Once Task Manager appears, locate Windows Explorer in Processes. It's usually under Apps. Select it and click End Task. You will see the desktop icons and taskbar disappear. This is expected. Do not panic, you're preparing to restart the shell. Once Explorer is ended, restart it immediately. In Task Manager, choose File, Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE and press Enter. Make sure to check administrative privileges when prompted. If the shell returns, confirm Start, taskbar and icons function correctly. If Explorer, EXE fails to launch, open CMD via Run New Task, then run sfc/scano to repair system files, or use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These commands fix corrupt components that can prevent Explorer from starting. Make sure you run them as admin. After restarting Explorer, test system responsiveness. Open File Explorer, Settings, and the Start menu. If instability continues, reboot the PC to clear locked resources. Often that resolves lingering issues. Make sure to check Event Viewer for Explorer, EXE or shell errors, and record any error codes before proceeding. If problems persist, create a new user account to rule out profile corruption or use system restore to roll back to a working state. As a final measure, consider an in-place upgrade repair to preserve files while restoring system components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.